Today is a good day for burrito, but this Thursday it's National Burrito Day. We're getting you ready with a recipe from the new Green Hills hotspot, Freebirds World Burrito. Zach Schroeder, Three Bean, is here with us. Good to have you with us today.
Thank you for having us.
All right, so go ahead and get me ready, because you got these big old fat burritos.
Yes, we do. It's a specialty. So today we're going to be doing a steak burrito.
Okay.
So we're going to do a little bit of our house-made Spanish rice daily. All right, we'll do a little bit of refried beans, my personal favorite, even though I get 3 most of the time. Do a little bit of steak on there.
All right, and so the options that you all have at the restaurant are steak, chicken, and what else?
Carnitas, and we also have a vegan meat protein.
Oh, okay.
So it's our vegan riso. It's going to be a Beyond Meat meat alternative. It's delicious.
Is it okay? And I can say the steak one's delicious because y'all dropped some off the other day, and it was good.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
Every time.
And that was with me only eating half of it because it was so big.
You can't do the super?
You know
what?
Give me a day or two to save up.
All right, and then we'll also throw in some of this creamy jalapeno right over here. One of our most famous sauces. Salsas. All right, so I want you to try to get this, all right? You got this?
All right, so as I try to do this, give me a couple of tips on what I need to do.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these sides, and you're gonna kiss the tortilla, okay?
Oh, okay.
Go ahead and kiss them together, push down, and spread your wings.
All right.
Spread it out a little bit. And then you're gonna kind of take it and walk it down.
Okay, look at
that. Pinky tuck.
Look at there.
Right there.
All right, cool. Diggity. All right, so that's that. You got a whole bunch of other stuff.
Oh, yeah.
What can people get on the menu over there?
All right, we got queso, we got guacamole, we got salsa. Those chips are dynamite. I've never said that in my life before, but we're doing it now.
Guac is good. Got a little heat to it, but it's good stuff.
Serranos in there. It's really good. We have our famous pop brownies in here. We got chips. You heard me right, our famous pop brownies.
Tell me a bit, because the other day I went for the cookie. Cookie was good, so the pop brownie is what?
So it's going to be a fudge brownie with some chocolate chips in it. We cook them in a little pot, so hence the name pop brownie.
There you go. All right, now for you all, brand new to Nashville, second location in Tennessee.
Yes.
If folks want to find you, where you're at?
We are off of Hillsborough Pike, right across from Green Hills Mall.
Okay.
All right, so it's you'll right in the middle. You'll see it.
All right, and
we got a motorcycle on the sign.
And on National Burrito Day, buy one get one free for future use.
Yeah, so you'll come in, you'll get a coupon for buy one get one next time you come, which will probably be the next day.
All right, awesome. Good stuff here. Go check them out. Head over to Freebirds World Burrito and Green Hills to try them yourself. Zach, thank you much.
Thank you so much.